Property FOMO, or the fear of missing out on your dream home, can be overwhelming. In a competitive or changing market, it pays to be ahead of the pack. So keeping an eye on off-market properties on Domain is one way to make sure you have the advantage. Off-market means the property is for sale, but the seller is wanting to be discreet, so you need to be in the know to be able to access it. A property can also be made available for sale off-market in the brief period before being publicly advertised. A seller can ask their agent to reach out to their network of potential buyers. Setting up property alerts will keep you in the loop about off-market homes that are ready to inspect and properties that are about to hit the market. It's also a good idea to develop strong relationships with real estate agents in the area you're searching. They know the market and will keep you in mind as properties spring up. So don't just limit your search to listed homes. See off-market properties before other buyers on the Domain app.